This is Manhattan. Look at this raging fire, a massive 4-alarm fire burning in this building. This is the Lower East Side of Manhattan, and you can see emergency crews are on the scene now. This is just seconds ago. Reports of an explosion, a collapse, and multiple injuries. Again, you see the flames shooting up, a lot of thick black smoke coming from the ground level of this building. We're told the building that exploded and collapsed is actually an apartment building and commercial space. If you know the area of Manhattan, this is the 7th Street area near 2nd Avenue. Again, there are reports of multiple injuries. We don't have any details on those yet.